Exploding egg prank on husband.
Snacks, can you come cut these eggs for me, please? What? Cut the eggs for the tuna, please. For what? I have other stuff to do. I'm watching my movie. Okay, just do it real quick, please. Oh. Dang, man.